freezing out here. Fucking hands aren't even working right. Oh my god, that scared the fuck out of me, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fucking creep me the fuck out. Forgot to turn off my GPS. She said, "You have arrived." Fucking thought there was someone in the trees looking at me. Jesus. Come on, dude. Fucking hands won't even work. Alrighty, so where I'm going is, it's called, I think, the lava tube cave or some shit like that. It's a underground cave that I think it goes like 0.8 miles back in the Cocnino National Forest out in Flagstaff, Arizona area, Lava River Cave. So I'm gonna give it a shot and see what's up. If I don't feel comfortable, I'm gonna turn around. I'm not trying to get stranded out here, so. There it is right there. Hopefully there's no fucking animals in there. Be careful though. That's for sure. My fucking headlight. I have a feeling I'm gonna eat shit right here. Alright, here we go. Can't put my phone away. Shit's crazy, man. I'm gonna do more research and put in the info in the description. In case you guys wanna go. In case anybody watching the video wants to check it out sometime. It's probably the craziest shit I've ever done. Just not trying to get a fucking ice cube dropped on my head. Bro, if there's a bear in here, I'm fucked. Fuck this, I'm taking my fucking knife out. I don't give a fuck. It's like the only means of protection that I get. This is what it's all about, trying new things. Pushing outside your comfort zone. Believe me, I was sketching out. This morning I woke up, I wasn't even gonna do this shit. I was like, you know what, fuck this. It's sketchy. But hey, might as well try it. Probably won't be back here ever again. I don't think that'd be bears this far back. Mountain lions or some shit. But this would be fucking smart to do it with somebody instead of doing it by yourself. I met a guy at the parking area that was like probably 60 or 70 that just came in here, so I was like, fuck it, if he did it, I'm doing it. And he was just in here, so that kind of put me at ease, because he didn't say he saw any crazy shit. Gave me a map too, which is fucking super nice, helpful. So here's the map. It says something about a horseshoe. I don't even know where I'm at exactly, but all I know is there's only one way in, one way out. There's no way you're gonna get lost. I doubt it. If you did, then something's wrong. I think I might be coming up on the horseshoe. I bought this light for like $20 on eBay. This is a fucking pretty good quality for $20 fucking headlight. It's that quiet in here. Kind of fucking eerie. Yeah, you made it seem like it was like an impossible feat, but it was pretty fucking easy. The trickiest part's just the beginning. Like slip on that snow. Try to choose my footing, or my path carefully. I'm trying to roll my ankle. I guess a lot of people have been vandalizing this shit. I haven't seen too much. But man, if something was in here, you'd be fucked. There's no way I could run it on these rocks. Need some like taser or some shit, or bear canister. This is like 0.8 miles. Probably walked half a mile. Dude, I'm wearing fucking, my dumb ass is wearing Vans. Freaking feet are taking a beating. This is crazy, man. So this is the horseshoe. Dang, I ain't even anywhere near it. Doesn't matter, I guess, because just pick a side. Go this way. Freaking dreading the drive home, man. I fucking got like a 6+ hour drive home. It's not gonna be fun. Gonna go all the way to the end, or close to it, or as far as I actually feel like going. Right now it's kind of repetitive, but fuck it, it's the same shit. See, I think if I would have went the right side, I think I would have had to come down and crouch through that shit. killing me. Fuck, it's starting to get low. Dang, this thing opened up pretty big.